Hey YouTube! In this workout, we're gonna muscle memorize one of those chords that's pretty easy and it doesn't sound that nice, but it shows up all the time, so you should probably learn it. It's called A7. So let me show you how to build an A7. It's pretty easy. It only has 2 fingers, and those 2 fingers are up to you. I'm gonna use my second finger on string 4, fret 2, and then I'm gonna use my third finger on string 2, fret 2. And then it's just the bottom 5 strings. So I'm using these 2 fingers because A7 is usually around a D7, which is right here, and an E7, which is right here. So if I'm using these 2 fingers, it's much nicer to just hop these down and add that for a D7, or just hop this up and add this for an E7. You can use these 2 fingers though. If you put those right there, then that's kind of nice for when you're playing like a D chord. A7 and D are gonna be next to each other a lot. So, you know, if I were going from a D to an A7, I would do this. If I were doing A7 to D7, I would probably use this one. It's up to you, and it just kind of depends on the situation. Make sure you're really curling those fingers and creating a lot of space under here so this doesn't end up sounding like this. It's not as nice. Or is it nicer? It's kind of hard to say. And if you're having a hard time getting the strings that you're pressing down to ring, either really engage your thumb down here, or you can also try just sliding a little bit toward you rather than over here. This you have to press down harder, but if it's right here, you barely have to press down at all. However, you don't want to be on the fret, so there's kind of a sweet spot. All right, let's get started with the exercise. If you're not sure what's happening and you feel like you need more explanation, then go check out the demonstration video. I put the link in the description. We're gonna start at 60 beats per minute, strumming on count 1, then kicking out and coming back on counts 2, 3, and 4. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. All right, here's 70 beats per minute. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's 80 beats per minute. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's 90 beats per minute. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 100 beats per minute. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 110 beats per minute. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. All right, here's 120 beats per minute. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. All right, now we're going back down to 60 beats per minute, but we're gonna strum on counts 1 and 2, then kick out and come back on 3 and 4. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's 70 beats per minute. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 80 beats per minute. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. per minute. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 100 beats per minute. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just a couple more. Here's 110 beats per minute. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last one. Here's 120 beats per minute. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, that's another video down. You're killing it. Keep up the good work. But how many days did it take you to get here? That's what I want to know. How long are these videos taking? Is it too easy? Is it way too hard? Is it an appropriate challenge? Let me know in the comments. And if you have any questions or suggestions for the channel, you can throw those in there too. Well, I guess that's it for the video, unless you guys have some other things you want to do. I could leave some space here at the end for some activities. Some like clicking activities. I don't know, just spitballing here, throwing out ideas. Nope, all right, well, see you in the next video. Bye.